top global news stories for Sunday, May 25th, 2025. # Russia launches largest air assault on Ukraine. Russia has conducted its most extensive air attack on Ukraine since the war began in February 2022, deploying nearly 300 drones and almost 70 missiles. The assault resulted in at least 12 fatalities, including 3 children, and caused significant damage across multiple regions, including Kyiv. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky criticized the international community's muted response, asserting that the lack of strong action emboldens Russia and prolongs the war. Despite the devastation, Ukraine's air defenses managed to intercept 45 cruise missiles and 266 drones. Concurrently, Russia claimed to have intercepted 95 Ukrainian drones targeting its territory. These attacks coincided with a significant prisoner swap as part of ongoing peace efforts, in which Russia and Ukraine exchanged over 300 captives each, concluding a 1,000 for 1,000 agreement. This swap is a rare concrete result from recent peace talks held in Turkey, the first such discussions since 2022. US-EU trade tensions escalate. President Donald Trump has announced a proposed 50% tariff on all European Union EU goods, citing frustrations over perceived trade imbalances. In response, EU Trade Commissioner Maroš Šefčovič emphasized the EU's willingness to negotiate, but warned that they are prepared to defend their interests, and that trade should be based on mutual respect, not threats. This development adds to the growing strain in transatlantic relations. India becomes world's 4th largest economy. India has ascended to become the world's 4th largest economy, surpassing Germany. This milestone reflects India's sustained economic growth and development. The achievement underscores the country's expanding global economic influence. A heartfelt light. To every soul whose hand did give, you've helped me dream, helped me live. In darkest hours your light came through, with hearts so kind, so pure, so true. Your gifts, like stars in deepest night, have steered me gently toward the light. Each coin, each word, each silent prayer, a thread of hope, so rich, so rare. My eyes once dimmed, now seek the skies, and slowly, clearer visions rise. Because of you, I dare to see the world again. Its grace, its plea. Your compassion's flame will not just stay with me alone. It lights the way for others wandering through despair to feel the warmth of selfless care. You've shown what love in action means, in quiet ways through giving scenes. You've built a bridge from soul to soul and made the broken feel more whole. So let this thanks rise like a song, a melody both soft and strong. May your example gently call more hearts to rise to give. To fall into the joy of lifting pain, of planting hope where none remains. Your kindness walks beside me still, a light, a love, a living will.
don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support.